Everybody's just like
But you know,
chilling by the 34.
Oh, because it's not
Staring at it. Yeah, for sure.
Exactly. So imagine if they don't they won't.
hey, those are cheap.
I like what's going on here. Aggressive Lotus, 280Z, 2 GTRs. Beautiful.
It's like a little go-kart.
Dude, those things are so fun.
I'd like to drive one.
I would love. How much does it weigh?
Isn't it like
Yeah.
close to around 2,000, I think?
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez.
It's almost as heavy as a RX-7.
RX-7? RX-7? No, it's not that heavy. RX-7 is 2,700 pounds.
Oh well, that's
Mr. I break hard and fast.
Spinning all day.
And I was like, I have no idea.
It's got the green
I was
headlights.
gonna turn the wheel. So I turned it and it just like did. As hard as I turned, it just.
Or you can have that engine in here with 500 pounds lighter chassis. E10 M6.
beat it, right?
Yeah. This thing is stupid as hell. It's making, I don't know how much power it's making now. 450, 5-ish? Yeah. 30R turbo, I think. Clean as hell. He remounted the radiator too in the trunk.
I know this right here. That's the red manifold.
Yeah, that's 5.9 tuning manifold. In 20 minutes we'll be cruising towards Woodward. Okay, we're going to check out my Facebook event page.
Put a rotary back.
Why are you so JDM?
You should be
I saw you
so
American.
JDM.
This is America. This is Detroit. We like a less.
I did. Hey, buddy. I took the water bottle out.
Hey, buddy. Okay, ready? Here we are.
The bike picture turned out great.
Yeah. I brought my dog this time so you can take professional photos.
He's cute.